Wiz. This is Victoria. Today, let's prepare a special version of Maja Blanca. Basically, Maja Blanca is made of milk, coconut milk, sugar, and cornstarch. But through the passing of time, people have become creative and added ingredients into it to create different versions. And today, let us prepare a special version of Maja Blanca, soft and creamy, fresh from the fridge. But oh wait, someone wants to say hi to you guys. Here's my little boy who wants to show himself wearing a hat. Come, big boy.
Hi.
Okay, that's it. Now let's start cooking. Now here's our ingredients for Maja Blanca. Cornstarch, 1 1/2 cup or 200 ml. Coconut milk or gata ng nyog, 4 cups. Condensed milk, 1 can or 300 ml. Evaporated milk, 1 can of any brand or 370 ml. Cream-style corn, 1 can of any brand or 425 grams. All-purpose cream, 250 ml. Sugar, 1/2 cup. Butter, 2 tablespoons. 2 young coconut, shredded in strips. Cream cheese, 135 grams, cut into small cubes. And salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon. Guys, these are my ingredients. As you can see, I have here latik. I will use this for topping. Since the cream cheese is sliced in cubes, slice this while it's still cold. As you can see, I have here the cheese slicer made by my mom. You can make one like this out of a piece of metal and wire if you cannot find a cheese slicer in the market. Okay, let's start mixing the ingredients together. Now, in a mixing bowl, let's put the coconut milk or gata ng nyog, evaporated milk, now the condensed milk, and the cream of corn. And you can add additional kind of corn kernel if you want an overload of corn. And now it's time to pour the all-purpose cream. Let's add the sugar. Let's stir well to melt all the sugar. Now let's mix the cornstarch. Now in the cornstarch, I have already mixed the 1 1/2 teaspoon salt. And what you want to do now is to mix, mix, and mix. You have to dissolve all the lumps of the cornstarch before you cook the mixture. Now on this part, I have decided to use a whisk. Whisk makes it easier to smoothen the mixture from lumps. When you dissolve the cornstarch and the mixture is smoothened out from all lumps, you're going to get now your pat or your kawali. It is advisable that you use a heavy bottom pan. For me, I am using my inos so that there will be an even distribution of heat. Set the fire low because you don't want your mixture to stick on the bottom and have that dark brown burnt color. You need patience to continuously mix it. Oh, I'm getting excited on this. Let's now put the butter. Next is the buko, the young coconut cut in strips. In order to make the mixing a lot easier, here I decided to change the whisk and use the big spoon instead. kind of consistency, we will put the cream cheese, our last ingredient. And see, we fold the cream cheese in the mixture. Kind of consistency, we're going to stop mixing and transfer this in a pan. This will make into a soft and creamy Maja Blanca. But if you wanted to achieve that gelatin-like texture, you can continue mixing some more to evaporate more water. Put the latik on top, and when it cools down, you can put this in the ref. As you know, I enjoy eating this cold. I wanted to thank Judy Ann's Kitchen and Pressing Meteor. Your blog have been a source of inspiration in making this recipe. I get a piece of idea from Judy Ann's Kitchen and another piece of idea from Pressing Meteor and combine this to my own idea. And what we have is this great special Maja Blanca recipe. Okay guys, now we have here the Maja Blanca, a special version fresh from the fridge. Actually, it is my first time to cook this special version of Maja Blanca. Now let's have a taste. So creamy. This is a success. It's not so sweet, just enough. Guys, may I ask your support to please click that like and subscribe button down there. And if you don't know how to prepare latik for topping, watch that on my next vlog.